Click on the link below to get price. The automatic sewing machine electric embroidery machine with an LCD touch interface and 96 built-in designs is a thoughtfully designed tool for those who find joy in sewing and embroidery. This machine combines functionality with user-friendly features, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced crafters. At first glance, the aesthetic of the machine is modern and inviting, featuring a sleek design that can easily fit into various home environments. The LCD touchscreen serves as the central hub for navigating through its various functionalities, offering a clear and intuitive interface that simplifies the selection of designs and settings. One of the standout characteristics of this machine is its 96 built-in embroidery designs. This diverse collection includes a range of patterns from floral motifs to geometric shapes, allowing users to explore their creativity and personalize their projects. These preset designs can be particularly beneficial for those who may not have the time or skills to create their own patterns from scratch. In addition to the embroidery features, the machine also serves as a regular sewing machine. This duality allows users to seamlessly switch between sewing and embroidery tasks, enhancing the overall versatility of the device. The automatic features, including needle threading and stitch selection, reduce the complexity often associated with sewing machines, making it accessible for newcomers to the craft. Using this machine is generally straightforward. After setting it up, which involves threading the machine and selecting the desired design via the LCD screen, users can start their projects with relative ease. The machine supports various fabric types, allowing for a range of projects from simple clothing repairs to intricate craft pieces. The quality of the stitches produced tends to be consistent, contributing positively to the overall project finish. In conclusion, the automatic sewing machine electric embroidery machine with its 96 built-in designs and LCD touch interface offers a well-rounded sewing experience. It caters to a broad spectrum of users, from beginners to more seasoned hobbyists, and its blend of functionality and ease of use makes it a promising addition to any crafting toolkit. Whether you're looking to embellish textiles or simply complete basic sewing tasks, this machine provides a solid platform for creativity in fabric arts.